friends. This is not exactly a cooking vlog or recipe video. It's just kind of what I'm making today. It's a typical weekday dinner, so not particularly labor intensive. We are having kind of a noodly stir fry with tofu veggies, so it's all vegan, all vegetarian, and let's get to it. Okay, so personally, I think the vermicelli glass noodles have a bit of a weird texture to them. Like, it's a little grainier than the flat noodles, I think, only because we use the vegetable peeler on the carrot. It's so thin, and that's why I was able to cook through in such little amount of time. That did not cause the red bell pepper and the leaves for the bok choy to be overcooked. The tofu did not maintain its crispiness, so I feel like the frying it first was an unnecessary step. You can just throw in some chunks of cubed tofu in here, and I don't think that it should be at all a different experience, or at least not marginally. This isn't one of my lazy meals, but it's kind of like just a plus average meal. I don't think it's too complicated, just throwing stuff in a pan, chopping stuff up, and throwing it in a pan. It just depends on how much you want to chop up. I think that this meat needs a little bit more green, but that's the only thing that I would really change about that. So if you have any suggestions or like this video, feel free to list any questions, comments, or concerns down below. New videos should come out on Mondays, sometimes Thursdays, haven't been sticking to that. So if I were you, I would like, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you know when I actually do post. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye!